Samidoh has now spoken for the first time kuma rĩrĩa Edday agĩkorirwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa yagĩkorirwo ĩgĩthingithia nenda in Kenya at large na njĩra nene mũno. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa Edday akorirwo akĩrekereria kũrĩ Samidoh agĩkĩmwĩra it has been 15 years of their marriage. Edday agĩitũrũra ruo rwake kũrĩ Samidoh and also the pain she has been through in their marriage. Na Edday agĩkĩrĩkĩria na kwĩra Samidoh atĩ he shall remember that day. Mũthenya ũcio Edday akorirwo akĩmwandĩkĩra ndũmĩrĩri ĩyo atĩ Samidoh will forever remember the day. Na rĩu Samidoh thutha wa gũkorwo etereirwo mũno onekane kana nĩ egũkorwo akĩrespond na kwaria, Samidoh has finally now spoken na nĩ akorwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno kũgerera nenda ciake cia ũkinyanĩria. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa ĩronekana ĩgwetereirwo mũno nĩ mafans ake tondũ in less than an hour the post has amassed over 10,000 likes na over 2,000 comments. Mafans makĩyumĩria mũno kuona kĩrĩa Samidoh egũkorwo akiuga, yani what he has to say after Edday's post. Na Samidoh agĩkorwo akiuga atĩ nobody sees the stars during the day, but in the night they are visible. God knows how to hide you till it's your time to shine. Your invisibility doesn't mean you are not existing. It only means it's not your time yet. Wait patiently. God's timing is always perfect. Every king was once a crying baby, and every building was once a picture. The person you admire so much was once a nobody. The most anointed man you see was once a church member. The person you attended his or her wedding was once a chief bachelor or spinster. So why worry in life? It's not about where you are today, but where you will reach tomorrow. Believe in yourself and never give up. Have a blessed Sunday. Samidoh akionekana ta he's giving his side of the story, although he's not saying it directly. Akamiuga in parables, akiuga nobody sees the stars during the day, but in the night they are visible. Na God knows how to hide you until it's your time to shine. Na kogwo akĩnĩoĩ atĩ God will come through for him. Na maũndũ nĩmegũkorwo makĩagĩra. He may not be saying much now. Na agakiuga God's timing is always perfect. Arĩ ndũmĩrĩri Samidoh akorwo akĩrekereria a word of encouragement, akiuga why worry in life. Samidoh appearing to put on a positive front thutha wa kĩũndũ kĩrĩa kĩrakĩmũhanĩkĩire na Edday wake. Samidoh akiuga atĩ today you may not be doing so well, but tomorrow will be your day. Na Samidoh agakĩyũmia na ciugo ici onake as a word of encouragement to himself and also to his fans. Na mafans magĩkĩmwĩra onake eyũmie, no need to worry cause everyone is fighting different battles na maũndũ no mekwagĩra. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.